In this video, I will show you how to create Chime bank account. So first you need to do is download Chime app on your smartphone and then open it. And then it's going to this screen. So from here you need to click on this sign up button. So simply click on that. And then it will ask for your some basic informations such as first, last name, and then your email address. So simply enter all of these details and then click on next. For this you have to your date of birth, so you must be 18 years old or older than that to join Chime. So simply enter your real date of birth and then click on this next button. Now on this page, enter your mobile number and then click on this next button, and then they will send a verification code to your mobile number. So simply enter that verification in this app and then your account will be verified. Now they will ask you to add your bank account. So simply enter your bank account details and then link it. So once you have done all of these steps, your bank account will be created. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.